Hey friends, good morning. Welcome back. Hey friends, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday and it's a beautiful weekend, very relaxing one. It's not true actually. I've been really busy. I've been sleeping late. My daughter Zara wasn't feeling so well, so it just made me, as a mom, mommy, stop, please. As a mom, you won't be able to sleep when your child cannot sleep. So I've been pretty awake, trying to make sure she's okay, but she's fine. We've been able to see a doctor, although she has a follow-up appointment that I will need to book for next week. So, but so far, other than that, everything is fine. With us, the kids, and my hubby, everybody's doing great. So, I wanted to show you guys something I got from Amazon. I just woke up this morning and I've been lazy. I've not been able to do anything. I was just on my bed having my alone time, because sometimes you can be, especially we as mother, we can be so caught up with work, either kids or 9 to 5 or content or something just taking your time. So sometimes this, like today is one of those. Sometimes I intentionally decided to stay back on bed for like 2 3 hours extra. So I woke up around 5:30. My this video that just went up today, I uploaded a video today. The video was not fully I edited it, but I was not able to upload it because of, I said, what was going on weekend. I didn't have time. So this morning I had to wake up because I don't want to miss my usual upload. I've set a schedule and I want to have a video up every Sunday, except where it is extremely or unavoidable. Okay, if I cannot avoid it, then I understand that one. But this one, I know I could wake up. So I woke up early and I just uploaded that video. And ever since then, I couldn't sleep. So what I did was I was just relaxing. The fact that I can't sleep doesn't mean I should stand up and start stressing myself. I relaxed and let the kids do the little work they could do. My daughter Isabel vacuumed this morning. Ryan did the dishes, and the house is looking good. They made breakfast for their siblings, and also they can make for themselves if they want to. So some days, as a mom, chill, relax, and be taken care of, because you deserve it. Okay, so today I want to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Recently I've been shopping a lot from Amazon, which I'm not worried about, because come on, what's the essence of having the money if you cannot shop? Yesterday when I ordered, 3 things I ordered came in yesterday. So 3 things I ordered came in yesterday, and my son was like, when they just come, Amazon delivery guys come and knock on your door, and like 3 different delivery guys coming to deliver. But you're like, Mom, again, what did you order? But the truth is, if you have the money and shopping makes you happy, you're not buying unnecessary things. You're buying the things you need. And why not shop? Okay, why not shop? That's my own theory. So if it makes me happy, I'll shop. You guys, can you see me? Can you see the change? There's a change. Can you see? The weight is going up gradually. Can you see me? It's gradually going up. Look at my mid region. Can you see? Although I'm wearing black, and black is very good at concealing, imperfections, but still, even with this, my robe, I could tell that the weight is coming up gradually. But I'm just jumping from one topic to another topic. That's the essence of this gist anyways. My voice is here to wake up. Let me show you the things I ordered from Amazon. So I ordered a couple of stuff. One of them is the vacuum that Isabel used yesterday. She used this morning, but I ordered it yesterday. So I wanted to return that vacuum, but my kids asked me not to, because they said they love it, they will be able to use it. I wanted to return it because I have the plan of buying the Dyson vacuum, the cordless vacuum, Dyson to be precise. But again, I don't want to buy it here, probably when we move. But I'll just keep this one that I got for them. So even when I get Dyson, they're not playing with that one. In case they want to clean the house, they want to sweep their room or anything, they'll use this one, okay? The one I got from Amazon, and they will not use my Dyson when I buy it. So that's one of the reasons why I'll keep it. Other than that, I wanted to return it because it was too light for me. So I got this one. It's another vacuum, but this one is a cordless vacuum, and it's for car. It is called Black and Decker. I think I have something from Black and Decker. I don't know if it's here or it's in Nigeria. I think it's here, but I can't remember what it is that I have from this company. But it's the Black plus Decker Dust Buster Quick Clean Cordless Hand Vacuum. So I got this for my car. I would love to vacuum my car. So this is my lighting problem, eh? But this is how it looks, just in case you're wondering, and I'll use it to vacuum my car. Let me unbox it with you guys and show you guys what it looks like. We're gonna work with this knife for now because I'm not able to go grab my package opener, the key stuff that I used to open packages. That was gifted to me by my knife. Hey God, who is calling my name this morning? Knife wants to cut me. My package wants to break. Someone is calling my name this morning. Please don't wake me up yet. Don't call me yet, please. Okay? Do not call me yet. So yeah, this is how it is. Pretty easy. I'm sure there's not too much. Oh, you see? Just what I said, not too much fixing. Though there are some packages you buy, you need to screw this, join this part to this part, join that part to that part. But looking at that one, it's already built for you. You're not building anything. Then this one, I don't know what this is. Probably this is what you're going to charge it with. So yeah, that's basically. Hey guys, you guys please. Then this is like an accessory, like a brush or something. And that's everything, guys. That's everything. And in case you want to, I think, hang this thing somewhere, you have a screw here for that. Oh please, oh please, kids. So I got this specifically for my car. I don't know if I told you guys. So what I'll do now is I will just charge it. And yes, lest I forget, even this light I unboxed in my last video, the one I got from TikTok, I have not charged it. So I'll charge the light, I'll charge this one. Then I made my hair yesterday, you guys. I did weaving. Hair is so expensive in this America. I think I'm tired of even complaining because I've gotten to a point where no matter how expensive it is, I have to get my hair done. So I did it, so I'll use it to wear a wig. But for now, since it's new, I feel I should just rock it like this week. Enjoy the newness. When it starts getting old, then we can now start wearing back our wig. But yeah, I got it done yesterday and I love it. It's beautiful. I also got Isabel's hair done. Kids' hair too. Adult hair, I was thinking, okay, maybe because we're grown up, they know we can afford it. But if you want to make your kids' hair in the US, it's so expensive. I made her hair, I made my hair, the same person, the same salon. So we are looking good so far. So basically, that's what I wanted to come and talk to you guys. I don't know if I told you guys that I'm losing weight. Don't get tired, please, because I have to praise myself so I can keep going. And you can see that I've lost weight. You see that I've lost weight. Be honest. You guys don't comment on my video, but comment this time. Tell me, can't you see a change? Is it not obvious that something that at least in this my mid region, you see that I've lost weight? I've lost weight, even my neck, my hand. So I see someone is fighting with me. You have to accept though. So I'll charge this, and later on I'll go. Today is Sunday, I didn't go to church. So bad of me, but I'll see if I can watch second service online on YouTube. Then I'll charge this stuff. I have 3 things to charge, so I don't forget. This hand vacuum, my camera light, which is the light the TikTok light I'm filming with. Then also my JBL Bluetooth. I use that when I'm bored. Today is Friday. I wanted to say Saturday, but it's Friday. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. Anyways, today is Friday, as I said. I wanted to just talk to you guys quickly before I go to pick up my kids from the program, because once they come, you guys know I won't have this precious time anymore. It's way past my work time, so it's almost 6 o'clock, no, 5:31, and I'm going to pick them because I have till 6:30 to pick them up. But again, I wanted to just come here and talk to you guys and end the vlog because I like to end my vlogs on Friday. So we did a lot today. I did laundry. I took the kids to, let me keep you guys down. I did laundry. I cleaned the house during my break time. I was able to do 1 or 2 cleaning without 30 minutes. And before I even started working, I had to, because I woke up early, just like I would wake up when I'm going to work, because I'm going to work at home and I will have a lot of time, like 1 hour before my work starts at 8:30. So I use that 7 o'clock 1 hour time to do a lot of cleaning the bathroom as I was bathing and just make sure the whole place is clean. Then I work in a clean environment. I like when I'm working, the space is clean. We're still doing weight loss. I don't know if you guys can see, but I know I've lost weight. On scale, I can see I've lost about 3 kg for in the past 2 weeks, and I don't know if that is too little or that is too small. Let me, this alarm is just disturbing me. I set alarm so that I would remember, I will not forget to pick up the kids. So yeah, I checked the scale and I saw that I've lost about 2 point something or 3 kg ish, which to me I think I feel it's not enough. But you guys, if you guys check the last video I told you guys I started this weight loss stuff, I think it's about 2 weeks now, and I don't know if it's too small for 2 kg for 2 weeks, but I'm trying to see next week and if anything is going to, reduce from that 2 kg. But I really seen a lot of progress. My tummy here is somehow bigger. I don't know why, because of delivery, pregnancy, and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're doing that. And another strategy I want to try is, usually when I break my fast, I just go straight to eating heavy meal. I broke my fast today at 5:30, just before I started this video. So what I broke my fast was what you guys saw in my mouth, which is one strawberry. But again, in my car, I still have boiled egg, so I want to do 1 boiled egg. So whenever I break my fast, I want to start today. Usually for the past 2 weeks, even until yesterday, I just go straight to eating like heavy meal, which I think from what I've heard, it's not really good when you're fasting. So if you're doing intermittent fasting, you should break with something light, like maybe fruit or even egg or Greek yogurt or something light. Some people use avocado or even olive or anything, but I'm not a fan of avocado, so I try to choose a strawberry, 1 strawberry and 1 egg. That's what I'm going to break my fast with. And I still have the egg, I haven't eaten it, so I'll eat it once I'm going to pick the kids. And I also made extra, so in case the kids want to snack on some boiled egg. And I'm currently making, just as I showed you guys, I'm making pepper soup, which is going to be my 1 meal today. So in case you don't know, I'm doing OMAD, 1 meal a day. So my 1 meal for today is going to be pepper soup and oatmeal swallow. Oh my god, I am so excited, like I can't wait. I'm very happy. Like pepper soup, last time I made pepper soup last week, it was so good. I was just, especially the chicken, I'm not really swallow. I'm going to take just a little bit of swallow, not a lot. But from what I also heard, let your carb be smaller, your protein and your veggies should be more. So I'm going to take a little bit of oatmeal. But what I'm really very excited about is the chicken. This chicken is so good. It's the hen. So the hen has oil that I like it. I don't like if I'm giving up everything, should I give up chicken too? No, now chicken is healthy, but I like the skin. I'm going to eat the skin. What else I want to discuss with you guys? I think that's basically it. Just to tell you guys that I'm still on the way to, and I wanted to tell you guys something this week. I was like, this week I will give you guys gists and all that, but I thought about it. No need. No, it's not a big deal. So you guys will definitely see it on this channel as we progress. So it's not a big deal. So I just don't want to, make it look like I have a very big emergency. It's nothing serious. It's just something that you're going to see as we keep vlogging and all. But this afternoon I didn't even feel like picking up this camera to talk to you guys, but see me here now. I'm very happy talking to you guys. But that is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my weekly vlogs. Let me know if you do. Please let me know down in the comment section, and don't forget to do your usual. Thank you for the thumbs up. It's really growing, and I'm getting the motivation to put out more vlogs. So please don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.